Bringing the gas out in this old thing. It's pretty clear.
Watch how much faster it comes. Watch. Watch.
Yeah, man.
Watch. Watch. Yeah, it's that much faster.
Gosh. Kind of like stopping and keep going.
Trying.
You killed it.
Okay. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to tell you something else that I've learned through the years. It's not the case every case, but to eliminate the case, keep gas full. You might say, well, we had gas in there to start. You did. But sometimes I think it's the pressure. I don't know what it is, but a full tank or, relatively full, hey, like it's right up to here or whatever, hey, that's great. I know it ain't nothing but half a tank or even a lower than that. For some reason, it just seems like sometimes